got 2020 BMW 530. Woohoo! That should be a good one. I think I see our BMW. Yep. Wow, looks good. Wow. That's a beautiful BMW. Little smash, but not a big deal. This thing is brand new. Man, this is amazing. Wow. I'm so happy, guys. I'm extremely happy. I'm in love with this BMW. Man, it looks like a brand new BMW. Perfect condition, no door dings, no nothing. Just brand new car, 6,000 miles. What do you expect? Let's get to work. I just took the door completely apart and man, I love this thing. Came out pretty good, nice and straight. Just finished with the doors, everything came out perfect, like nothing happened. Let's go. Everything lines up really well, everything is smooth and straight. Getting somewhere, almost done. Check it out. I got a little progress. I'm all finished with body filler. Everything came out perfect. Boom, just like that, we're finished with quarter and both doors. Everything came out super clean. Woo-wee. Wow, that looks clean. It's gonna look like nothing ever happened, so let's go. BMW prepped, masked, and ready to go. We're gonna start spraying the car. BMW is painted and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful. Let's go. Let's start putting the doors together and we'll go from there.
and we're ready to start installing this one.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Everything is painted and ready to go. And man, this is gonna look super nice. Also got a carbon fiber front lip and rear carbon fiber diffuser. Just put the car completely together and wow, it looks amazing. That M5 front bumper is a game over. Rear bumper looks super aggressive, I love it. Just installed the moldings and the mirror. Wow, such a big difference. With the black, it looks so much better. Just put the whole car together and man, it looks amazing. Wow, it came out so nice. This thing looks amazing, I'm speechless. Now we could start changing the springs. I'll be installing H&R springs and we're gonna start with the back end. Let's go, let's do this. Let me show you the wheels that I got. Boom, check it out, 20-inch Boston wheels. Wow, they look super nice. So let's install the wheels and then we'll take a look at the final product. Woo, fire! Everything came out perfect and man, this thing looks amazing. It looks like M5. Wow, look at this. Came out beautiful. We're officially done with this build. Wow, came out super beautiful. Looks like low-key M5, not gonna lie. If you don't know anything about M5s, you're definitely gonna think this is the real deal.